Utah family has finally found justice after 8.5 years of fighting. Thanks for watching 2 News at 6 tonight. I'm Mark Cabell.
And I'm Heidi Hatch. A jury awarded $15 million to the family of Madison Jensen. She died while in custody at a county jail. Ariel Harrison has more on this landmark verdict.
After 8 years of legal battles, a Utah jury has delivered what's believed to be the largest civil rights verdict in state history surrounding a young woman's death case in jail. Now, just a warning, some viewers watching from home might find some of the content you're about to see in this story disturbing.
After 8.5 years of fighting for, the burden's been lifted.
Madison Jensen's father, Jared, reflects on the long road they faced in their fight for justice.
It's the toughest thing we've ever been through as a family.
In November of 2016, 21-year-old Madison, who was a heroin user, hit rock bottom wanting to end her life. Not knowing where to turn, her father called local authorities for help.
You thought you were helping your daughter. Would you ever have imagined or made that phone call knowing what's now happened?
I would have never done it, but hindsight's 20/20. She wanted help and she wanted to live, and we wanted her to live too.
After being taken into custody at the Duchesne County Jail, Madison became very sick. For several days, she called and requested help, this note even in her own handwriting. Video presented in court to the jury paints an even clearer picture. Just hours before Madison's death, a jailer offers her a shower. She says yes, but can be seen stumbling out of the cell and immediately collapsing into a hallway chair. She tells the jailer she's lightheaded and too tired to shower, and that she wants to lie back down. The jailer ushers her back into her cell and instructs she place her soiled bedding into the bin filled with vomit, something she struggles to do. The jailer then proceeds to kick the bin down the hall and can be seen stopping because of the overwhelming smell.
The short period of time that Madison was in the jail, 4 days or less, that nobody did anything to help her.
Ryan Hansey is the Jensen's family attorney. He started on the case when Madison died.
$15 million. How common or rare is it for a jury to award that amount?
I do believe that that's the largest jury verdict in a civil rights case in the history of Utah.
Does this verdict send a message?
I believe that it does send a message. I think that it puts correctional facilities on notice, and it puts an emphasis on the need for these correctional facilities to train their employees at the jail to be able to recognize a medical emergency and when to call the doctor.
I'd give everything I own to get her back. Money don't mean nothing. We fought for her. It didn't matter what it would cost.
Now, I reached out to Duchesne County commissioners to ask who foots that $15 million awarded to the family in this case. A commissioner responded with a statement to us, which reads in part, Duchesne County is disappointed by the jury verdict and is taken back by the amount the jury awarded to the plaintiff. The county is currently evaluating all available options regarding appeals and payment of fees, costs, and the judgment, end quote. Now, the county, from my understanding, could still appeal to the 10th Circuit Court, but has a relatively short amount of time window to do so. We'll continue to follow if there are developments in this case. But in the meantime, reporting from the federal courthouse, Ariel Harrison, KUTV 2 News.